Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study internal medicine effectively. First, focus on understanding the fundamental principles of each disease process. Avoid rote memorization initially. Instead, build a strong conceptual framework. Then, actively test yourself using practice questions and flashcards to solidify your learning. Applying these strategies will significantly enhance your comprehension and recall, making your study time much more productive and less overwhelming. Let's dive into specific techniques. To maximize your learning, consistently engage with high-yield resources. Question banks, such as UWorld, are invaluable for both content review and test-taking practice. Aim to complete a set of questions daily. Incorporate Anki flashcards into your routine for spaced repetition, which is highly effective for long-term memory. Additionally, attending grand rounds and clinical conferences exposes you to real-world cases and expert discussions, bridging the gap between theory and practice. These methods will build a robust knowledge base. Active learning is crucial for deep understanding. Try teaching complex topics to a study partner or explaining them aloud to yourself. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Always strive to connect what you read in textbooks to the patients you encounter in the clinic or hospital. This practical application makes the information more relevant and memorable. Forming a small study group can also provide diverse perspectives and reinforce learning through discussion and shared problem solving. Embrace these active strategies. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as your study methods. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours each night, as this significantly impacts cognitive function and memory consolidation. Schedule regular, short breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Balancing your studies with self-care will lead to more sustainable and effective learning throughout your internal medicine journey. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.